don't think so. But the bottom line is that the Revenue Mobilization and Fiscal Commission and National Salary Wages Commission, which has now been fused together under the Oronsai report, I would just say this is the amount that you earn as salary. But the payment, the actual payment, will be done by the local government. And that's why, you see, unless this is, I'm waiting to hear from the Nigerian Governors Forum. They were to meet yesterday to hear what their take is. If their take is, oh, we won't let go, we are still going to be having problems. The reason being that, you see, when there's something called political will, the political will to allow for something to happen, if it is not there, you may shout for all you can. There have been several Supreme Court decisions on the appointment of caretaker committee, on dissolution of state independent electoral commissions. Which of them have they obeyed?
No, but the NGF can't say, because this is the Supreme Court decision.
They will not say officially. They will not say officially that they will not implement. But we'll wait to see how this implementation happens. Because over the years, you will find out that while civil society and media is fighting for local government autonomy, the teachers and workers in NOGE, National Union of Local Government Employees, are saying, no, we are okay let the state government be paying our salary. Because the experience in many states is that the teachers, primary school teachers, primary health care workers, a whole backlog of salaries. And if that experience is anything to go by, they will be haunted that now with this financial autonomy, are they sure that before the end of the month, they are able to get their paycheck?
Talking about paycheck, at the moment, 20 states are running with caretaker chairman. With this judgment,
what it has done is that going by August or by the end of this month, if you do not have democratically elected government, the federal government is at liberty to seize or withhold your allocation until when you do the needful. The needful is for you to have credible elected representatives. And that's why the issue of credibility of election now comes in. Look at the face-off in Rivers State. Governor Fubara has appointed 23 caretaker committee. The former one said their tenure has been extended by 6 months by the State House of Assembly. Now, there will be interpretation. Is it status quo? Can this judgment have retroactive effect, or it's going forward? It's
going forward.
So that again may be a gray area, but I think President Tinubu's job is not done. He still needs to sponsor executive bill for the amendment of relevant sections of the Constitution. And then what my elder brother here, Candido, said about having guidelines, financial guidelines for the management of the local government fund. In which case, if you are in breach, you will be a guest of EFCC. Because until when there is no financial autonomy, nobody looks your side. But the moment money start coming in, you will see that many more chairmen will be dragged before EFCC, councillors will be dragged to EFCC. But I'm looking at this judgment in a more holistic way, that how would the governors, how would they fund the LCDA or development areas that they have created? Would they scrap them? Or would they still rely on State House of Assembly to come up with a legislation that would say certain percentage of your allocation should be remitted to run those development areas? Because there are 2 layers of control that the Constitution have given local government. One is National Assembly. If you read that section, 162 sub 7, it says National Assembly will prescribe the manner in which the disbursement will be done. But there is another section of that section 162 that also gives State House of Assembly some powers to legislate on local government. And they oversight local government. They are the ones that are empowered to suspend a chairman of a local government. So, all of this, we need to have a streamlined and overhauled system that will now be efficient It may take a bit of a time, but the needful has to be done, and proper oversight has to be done, particularly by the status of assembly. Just that many people don't have confidence in the status of assembly to do proper oversighting beyond what they are told by the governor to do. Because once you run foul of, once you have problem with your state governor, the next thing is that you are suspended by the status of assembly. And then by the time you go to court, the money you don't have, you start spending it. Court processes are never quick. You may be, you have 3-year tenure. So if you go to court in your second year, by the time the court gives you judgment in favor, your tenure has lapsed. And that's why some people will just want to obey.